Well, hello and welcome to the next part of this project. I'm going to be getting this area all paved. You've seen the water feature, you've seen me clearing it all out. Let's get this area paved. Okay, so you've just seen me point the last piece of paving over there on that walkway section that was kind of added and adapted after discussions with the customer. So the paving is all done. This is all going to get a pressure wash after I've laid the turf, which is the next job and which will be next week's video for the final part of this project. You've also seen that I refitted the gentleman's sort of disability railing there so he can walk out the door on that new step easily. So that's all done. So yeah, like I say, paving's all done. Let's get the turf and the soil in for next week's video. Till then, bye-bye.